Missouri gun opening day, and we are out here at the property doing some rifle hunting. I got my Ruger American 30-06 out here with me. I'm in my climber. I didn't get it too high off the ground though. I just wanted to be able to see over a couple of humps and hopefully get a shot at a nice buck. I only have one tag, an any deer tag, so I don't think any does are going to be going down unless I have no other choice. But I'm excited to be back out here. Getting married, it's been quite a bit more difficult to find the time to hunt. But we're making it happen this weekend, and I am excited. I've got the GoPro set up above me. I don't know if it's going to be a good angle at all, so we're just gonna have to check and see. But we're gonna get after it here. We're gonna sit for a good chunk of the morning, and hopefully we get one in range. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of Missouri gun season now. We are at the same property as yesterday. However, I did switch trees, and I'm overlooking a clear cut here. I'm in a ladder stand, and I'm going to be able to see quite a bit more. Only problem is, due to the wind and any other noises, it's going to be pretty difficult to hear a deer walking. So my eyes are going to be king today. So I've got the GoPro above me. I would not be shocked if we run out of battery. Hopefully I turn that thing on once and we get her done. But I'm feeling good about today. It's about, at the moment, 10 plus degrees colder than it was at this time yesterday. So it feels more like gun season now. And I'm excited. I'm ready to get one. And ready for it to be daylight so I can see what we got going on here. It's a beautiful view from here. I'll try to show you. Howdy y'all. We are back in the same spot as this morning. As you know, the past 2 days, I've sat in the morning, told myself the entire time, I'm going to switch it up in the afternoon. And I went back to the same spot both times. Different spot each day, but you know. My logic is, I could see too much to have not really seen deer in the morning, and then, you know, essentially, I could see so much here for there to be 0 deer walking within vision of where I'm sitting all day would be astronomical to me. So we're here. Give you a little update. The first thing I did when I got up in the stand and got set up was about broke my jaw on a mini Snickers bar. But on the flip side, I had a mini Snickers bar, so we are kicking off the evening hunt, right? I can't remember if I told you in the morning, but I did see one doe running across, like, well out of range, and it was hauling tail. So that's about it for today so far. It's been quite windy. I brought an extra layer. I took it off because I was hot when I got here. It's about 10 minutes in, and I'm already cold, so the heavy layer is probably going to be going on for too long. And yeah, we're hoping for the best. Hopefully we get it done tonight. So we'll see. Well, guys, it is day 3 of Missouri gun season. I'm sitting on the ground today. It's a little bit chillier yet again. No action so far. It's about 7:30 or so now. We're just gonna try to get after it. It's the last sit of the weekend for me, so I'd like to get one on the ground. But yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see. Hopefully we can see some deer. I've seen one single deer in the stand that I've in any of my sits. So it'd be nice to add to that tally. Hopefully. But wait.
Mert. Oh my God.
Oh man, fellas. Well, I just shot a nice one here. We're back at the farm. I got the 30-06 Ruger American here, and that nice buck just came out. I put a good shot on him, I think. He came out this point, and I kept making sure he was good enough for me, and he gave me a look, and I knew it was the right time to take a shot, so I put one in him. I'm gonna let it get daylight, and give it plenty of time before I get up and go look for it. But he mule kicked, so I think I hit him pretty good, so we will have to see. We're looking for blood. Oh, there he is. There he is, laying there. No way. No freaking way. Well, guys, we got her done. Nice 10-pointer here in the second week of gun season. He didn't go very far. I put a good shot on him, and he didn't make it out of the field. So I'm very thankful for this season. It's been a little bit tougher to have time to go. Being married, my wife came from out of state, and she didn't grow up in a hunting family either. And it's just hard to get out here sometimes when, I know she wants me home with her. So I'm thankful that she let me go this morning. Thankful to my dad for teaching me everything I know. Very thankful to Ted and Terry Bosler for letting me hunt out here. Just very thankful. And we got it done. I almost feel like I don't deserve it. And I probably don't, but I'm just very thankful to have got the opportunity to have the ability to hunt at this awesome place, and all the work that gets put in out here. And I know I don't do enough either. It just makes you think. So sorry I didn't get it on camera. It happened pretty quick, but I'm gonna go take care of this guy, and thanks for watching.